Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rakibuzzaman. My ID is 172159635. We are our citizens of Bangladesh and we live in Dhaka City. Today, traffic jam is one of the major problem in Dhaka City. We have been thinking for a long time from our responsibility of citizenship. We have to do something for our Dhaka City to eliminate traffic jam. For this purpose, we have created a project named Dream Wheel, which is a public business policy and it will be work to reduce traffic jams. In this project, three types of labor work with along, which is host, client and moderator. We are work as a moderator in this project. As a moderator, our main goal is how to host and client are corrected each of other. Now I am going to talking about our project business policy. Basically, host who have a garage and client who have a car for searching a parking place. In this situation, client will be able to keep his car in the host garage for a fixed time, who will be moderated by moderator by keeping a little amount of charge each of them. Can you guess why our project will be best and what are the reasons? Listen carefully, because here existing three type of people can be benefited at a time. I am going to provide you only 3 points. Number 1, client can keep his car. Number 2, host can earn profit, and number 3, moderator taking a charge each of them satisfiedly. And overall, the main specialty of this project is to reduce traffic jam. That's our main goal. That's all from me. My next presenter will be continue. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, my name is Rafi and my ID is 17215100028. So basically we are thinking about the mobile interface. In our mobile interface we are constructions 3 segment, and first segment is the sign up sections, and people can easily to get their ID, creating their ID, and after creating their ID they have find the locations, and according to the locations they have find about the available garage or available free space according to the locations. So I think it's the one of the most efficient contribution to reduce the traffic jam. So we are working on the outside to survey the people, and we want to see how the reaction of the people to according to our project. So the most amazing part is the 92% people are agreed with us, and 51% people are think that our project is to impact on the reduce to the traffic jam, and 42% people of the owner of the garage are think that they are benefit. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zubair Mahmoud. My ID is 17215100067. Now I am talking about our targeted people. You already come to know about our project idea and process. In our project, there will be a moderator, 2 types of host. One of them are garage holder and garage user. Now the question is, who will be our garage holder and who will be our user, and which area we are going to be targeted. First of all, we want to spread out our project all the major city of Bangladesh where traffic jam is a part and parcel of our daily life. At first, we want to do it in Dhaka City. We want to target the area where traffic jam occur most likely for Farmgate, Karan Bazar, Science Lab, New Market, Gulshan, Moakhali, Bonani, etc. We have to ensure the safety and privacy of our client, by which our service will be more usable to our user. We will promote our service more and more on this mentioned area, by which we can reach to our targeted area and people. We will target the garage which are often not used during the peak time. As we are offering a part of interest to garage holder, they will be interested to be a part of our service as we gain some idea through our survey. Our user will be who are suffering for park his vehicle due to place of parking, so it will be make sure sense on our society, our benefit. Now I am going to talk about the social benefit of our project. We already come to know about the project and its process. We think if we can establish our project, it will make a great impact on our society. First of all, it will be reduce the traffic jam occurred due to parking vehicle anywhere in the roadside area and make city life miserable. After then, as we are offering a part of interest to garage holder for that certain period, then it will be meaningful rather than unused empty garage, which remind us if about something is better than nothing. By this, the garage holder can have some extra money. Thirdly, it will be remove the headache of those people who become tense about their vehicle parking. As we already know about the punishment and the fine according to the law of Road Transport Act 2018, so they can use our service and get rid of this headache and tension. So from this, I can strongly say that it will be make a huge sense and being a great social interest to us. Now, conclusion, we tried to give a big description about our project, our survey, where 72% people garage holder are agreed to rent their garage in amount of interest, while 42% and vehicle owner think that they will be useful by using our service. Moreover, 70% of people think that traffic jam will be reduced by appropriate use of our service. For our research and information, we find no other such application or service are available in Bangladesh. So, from all the evidence and statistics, we can be hopeful that by implementing our project, it will make a great change on our daily life and personal interest for the garage holder and vehicle owner. So we are already dreaming about the implementation of our and usefulness of this project. Hope our dream will be come true, and it will, inshallah. Thank you. This is all from me.